Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Sheets add-ons for automated reporting, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your Google Sheets document. Navigate to the top menu bar. Click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons. Choose Get Add-ons. The Google Workspace Marketplace will open in a new window. In the search bar, type the name of the add-on you want. Press the Enter key to search. Browse through the list of results. Click on the add-on you wish to install. A new panel will appear with details about the add-on. To install, click on the Install button. A permissions window will pop up. Review the permissions carefully. If you agree, click Continue. Select your Google account to proceed. Grant the necessary permissions by clicking Allow. Once installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Close the Marketplace window to return to Google Sheets. Now, navigate back to the Extensions menu.
Hover over Add-ons to see the list of installed add-ons.
Click on the name of the add-on you want to use. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by the add-on. Your add-on is now ready for use. Utilize the add-on features to automate your reporting tasks. Regularly check for updates in the Google Workspace Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.